Hello y'all, and what is up? We are back here on EVERYTIME Customs today because every single person that's tried to cop Supreme at one point has gotten rejected a time or two, and today I'm showing you literally the foolproof way of getting yourself locked in on some Supreme items in each and every drop, each and every week. You guys know what it is. There's only so much Supreme to go around and nobody wants to pay those resale prices. So today we're going to teach you guys how to get all Supreme drops immediately and the quickest and easiest way. And this is basically telling you guys how to get into the reselling game. Now, to not miss any of the drops, I got my Supreme dollar Tion, the 1 zillion. I'm really happy I copped this at SneakerCon, but of course, like everyone else, you do pay resale from time to time like I had to. Didn't pay a bad price for it, but this was one of my SneakerCon pickups. There is a website service called Supreme Secrets, and I will have the website on the screen right here, but it will also be linked in the description below. It'll be the top of the description, so I want you guys to go check it out because this service, it is like a little guide on how to get every single Supreme drop, and I want you guys to really go check it out because with my discount code BTerry, that'll be on the screen as well, that you use on their website, you will get a discount on your order, and trust me, it's a pretty hefty discount, and you guys should really go check it out. This guide that they supply to you is packed full of amazing tips and tricks, Instagram pages to go check out, bots to use, which bots are good, which bots are bad. I mean, are they reliable, are they not reliable? And as everyone does time to time, so yes, they do provide you some information on bots and whether they're good or not. Should you use them, should you not, the recommended ones, so that you are guaranteed to get it. And trust me, it's not a bad investment. You will pay your investment back the first time you buy an item to resell, especially if you do use their tips and get a really hyped item. Say you get a box logo with this little guide, you get a box logo, that's a wrap. Like, you've already made your money back and some more, like way more. It is a very reasonably priced product. I really do love the product in itself that they provide you. It's a really good complete guide. I read through it, I was like, wow, this is insane. Like, I wish I would have read something like this before I, tried to get into Supreme, because it's definitely worth the investment. It does help you get into reselling. So yeah, I definitely want to make this video to get you guys into the reselling game and show you one of the best ways to get a head start before anyone else. Before I saw this guide, I had a couple Instagram pages I looked at, checked out, but this has entire lists of information for you to utilize, lots of stuff to look at and lots of stuff to learn. But yeah, let's not overlook my Supreme pickup that I got. It's one of my first official Supreme pickups that wasn't intended for resale or anything. It fits a little bit big on me, but maybe it'll shrink, but I do not dare put it through the washer and dryer. It's kind of sketch. I'll probably just maybe get it dry clean, maybe wash it, not dry it. Who knows what'll go on. But if you guys did check this video out and you do want to go check out the Supreme Secrets website, click the link in the description down below. Once again, top of the description will lead you to that amazing website to get your very own Supreme Secrets guide on how to get all the drops every week, what to use, what not to use, where to find drop info, what's dropping, you don't want to miss out on like a surprise box logo or something. What? You'll find your surprise box logos on these nice little info pages that they do have in the whole guide in itself. Like the video if this was helpful, comment down below if you're gonna go check it out, and if you're interested in the product, if you're a reseller, do you have good success reselling, do you have bad success reselling? This fits for anybody. It will help anybody out in the reselling game, so make sure you guys go check it out. Thanks for watching EVERYTIME Customs. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.